Right now, you are sitting somewhere watching this video. Your brain believes you are inside the real universe. The room around you feels real. The world outside feels real. Every experience in your life feels completely authentic. But what if all of it was only a simulation? This idea may sound like science fiction, but it is actually taken seriously by many philosophers and scientists. It is known as the simulation hypothesis, and it suggests that our universe might not be the base level of reality. Instead, everything we see around us could be part of an incredibly advanced simulation created by another civilization. At first, this idea seems ridiculous, but the more technology advances, the more interesting the question becomes. Think about how far computer simulations have already come. Modern video games create entire digital worlds with realistic physics, weather, and artificial intelligence. Virtual reality can already trick our senses into feeling like we are somewhere else. Now imagine a civilization that is thousands or even millions of years more technologically advanced than humanity. Their computers could be powerful enough to simulate entire universes. If that is possible, then simulated worlds might actually outnumber real ones. A philosopher named Bostrom proposed that if advanced civilizations run huge numbers of simulated realities, then statistically it becomes more likely that we are inside one of those simulations rather than the original universe. There are also strange details about our universe that make some people question the nature of reality. For example, physics appears to operate according to strict mathematical rules, almost like code running inside a system. The universe also has limits, such as the speed of light, which acts like a maximum processing speed for information. Even the smallest units of space and time appear to be quantized, meaning reality might function more like pixels in a digital environment than a continuous system. Of course, none of this proves we are living in a simulation. Many scientists believe there are simpler explanations for these phenomena, but the possibility itself raises fascinating questions. If reality is simulated, who created it? Why would they simulate an entire universe? Are they observing us right now? And perhaps the most unsettling question of all, if this really is a simulation, what happens when the system shuts down? For now, we simply don't know the answer, but as technology continues to advance, humanity may eventually reach a point where we can simulate entire conscious worlds ourselves. And if that ever happens, we may finally discover something extraordinary: that we were never in the original universe to begin with.